Is it okay? Throw her in. Wait.
Hold on. Do a new one. She won't focus, and you don't want to focus because it'll just fucking go. So I got some cans here. I'm gonna chuck them in the fire.
Yep, butane.
Big time.
Okay, let's do this. Here, let's stand over here. Chuck her in. Steve! Steve! Stand over here!
Alright, I have a little fuel in this. Okay, just chuck it in.
Guys, come back here.
No, you're too far. Pass it here, that one's gonna be tiny.
No.
Patrick, move up more. Move up. It's freaking tiny.
So I doused it a little in fuel, or gasoline, whatever the hell we use.
I guess a safe zone right here. Boom! Oh, I can smell something. Yeah, it's just leaking, I think.
Enjoy the fireworks.
Some redneck fireworks.
4th of July all over
Just
again.
go get a couple lawn chairs.
Fuck you, do okay. Still recording. I'll get some lawn chairs. Should I throw that butane? Butane?
We'll wait like 1 minute. Nothing happens, go for it.
I'm just smelling something real funny. I think it's got a leaker.
Probably your ass crack.
Probably not.
Great job, I distracted him.
Good job, Napoleon. Steve, you got a propane tank?
Yeah, over there, actually. We're not doing that.
I'll blow up half
One
this
day.
fucking yard.
Oh shit.
One day.
One day we'll do it. Oh, in the fucking
It's not
North
today.
Sands Field.
Inside his house.
Okay, do it.
In
He
some
moved
bar.
to BC because everybody was giving him shit.
Yeah.
Cause
Went to Saskatchewan for a bit, then he came back, then he moved to BC. Fucking more change back down. Fuck this. Now he's trying to build an auction market.
oh my
He
god,
just fucking bought it.
damn more sand. Chuck her in.
Yeah, go for it.
Throw some gas in and then
Fucking.
so get the gas on film. Come on,
Yeah. Hold on. I need a fucking chair for a sec. Hold on. Don't. I'm getting the fuck.
Oh shit, I see the can. It's going.
I'll just spraying out.
Can you separate those two chairs?
You separate them.
The can's like fucking on fire.
They're fucking fire. I'm scared she's gonna explode. It's not gay at all.
I know, it's like that paint can little poop.
You can hear it sissing.
Sissing.
It's sizzling. Whatever the fuck it's called.
I'll add some heat and see what she does.
Fucking Steven. This is a safe zone, right?
Yeah, a little closer.
Yeah, I'm going close.
Okay, you got this on video, fucker?
Wait. Fuck.
Breaks a chair like
Let's go.
You got any popcorn?
Go.
Yeah.
Holy Jesus! I can feel the heat. Oh fuck! There's fire! Fire!
No, stand back. It's gonna fucking explode. Don't fucking go near.
Steve. Damn it! If I could feel the heat from a little gas, that butane is gonna fucking burn my hairs. My knight in shining armor is fucking rescuing me.
Flash zone.
Full moon.
Oh, you wanna see mine?
Steve, give us a full moon.
I want a full fuck you.
I would a full fuck you, Chinese Ching Chong June. It's a Japanese person mixed with Chinese and.
Did you just mix like Kim Jong-un and Chinese stereotypical?
Stevie, that'd be terrible. At a party, make like a rain bucket, but fill it up with gas.
That'd be pretty terrible.
Fill it up with gas instead of water.
Hitler didn't think so.
Okay, Steve. Butane!
Yeah, I don't get some wood on.
I thought the butane's already in there.
Not yet.
Oh, that makes
Garbage
sense.
truck cleaner. Then you put it.
Patrick, do you have the...
It's by the butane thing. Oh no, I have it. Sorry.
Yeah, no. You still videoing?
Yep.
How much memory you got on that bugger?
What?
How much memory you got?
16 gigs.
Patrick, pass.
Oh, nice.
No.
Please.
Alright,
Getting
we're
more
throwing
tomorrow.
some gas in the
Don't give it
fire,
to Steven.
Yeah, I know.
and we're throwing the butane.
No.
Oh, then come back here.
You're getting more bones tomorrow.
Oh, come up here a little bit.
Yeah.
No, fuck that.
Hey, just this for now, and then this will take a few seconds.
Just go now.
Okay.
Good. Steve, you gotta stand here with us. Hold this.
Okay.
Steven, you want any?
Anyway,
Dip.
I know. Alright, you got
Fuck, wait, hold on, I gotta get the focus.
Yeah, you don't need to focus.
There.
Focus once this goes.
There, focus. Woo!
Cheese in?
Oh god!
There's a fire.
Did it fall out?
No, it's like a stick. It's like on a stick. Oh, dick.
Oh yeah, I see her. Foxy's not gonna heat up there, boys.
Aye.
We'll throw some more gas on her.
Oh yeah, that's a solution to everything.
Just yeah.
Just a bit.
Yeah, I know.
Like a flip, it blows up a minute.
Just get me whatever tomorrow.
Oh, fuck. Alright. Here we go. Yep, that's fine.
Oh! Woo! Oh shit! Fire!
No, fuck it. That butane's getting hot. Hear that chicken? She's expanding.
It's getting faster. Fuck. Screw this. Holy Jesus!